What is writing instruction for intermediate and advanced learners? First, writing teachers of intermediate and advanced learners must help students to understand the relevance of writing, not only in fluency, but in the target language. It is also learning to succeed in other subjects, knowing that writing is both a social act. Why? Because the students must enhance their academic critical thinking skills. According to Noah 2007, asserted the importance of writing is it's a kind of learning tool so that teachers have to engage the learners in writing tasks commonly used in other disciplines. Now, writing instruction for intermediate and advanced learners is include first, note taking, second, reporting, third, summarizing, fourth, analyzing, fifth, journal writing, and lastly, creative writing. First, what is note taking? Note taking is a skill in extracting and recording relevant information from different types of text for future use. Do you know that note taking is the most important? It's because note taking can enhance your critical thinking skills. This is very important in authentic on in real life situation because note taking when you talk about note taking you can enhance your own critical thinking skills to deeper your understanding that you can commonly use in the future, especially in field. Next, reporting. It is an ability to recount and rewrite the events that transpired, for instance, in a laboratory experiment, field trip, and group activity. Reporting is the most important also because reporting to can enhance your ideas and your thoughts, especially in different kinds of activity in school. The third one is summarizing. Summarizing is a skill in looking for patterns across of events and ideas, presenting information most commonly concisely. Do you know why summarizing is important? Okay, since none, summarizing is important because it is all about not broad, especially let's say for example you read a whole story, so you need to summarize it for you to be able to make easy for you to understand. Okay? The fourth one is analyzing, an ability to break down ideas, note details, and determine the reliability of the text. Do you know analyzing is the most important, and it is the connection between note taking, reporting, and summarizing, because through analyzing, not only you enhance your critical thinking skills, but also it is important, especially in as a student and also as a future career or future teachers. Analyzing is important not only in school but also in learning, in different kinds of learning, not only in school but also in real life situation. The fifth one is journal writing. Journal writing is often most in self-expressing and reflection. Through journal writing, you can express your thoughts or ideas in different kinds of situation. Do you know what? Do you know journal writing is important? Not only in school also, but your real life situation. Why? Because journal writing, you can commonly express your ideas. Let's say, for example, you cannot say with your friends to your problems. You cannot share to it. So through journal writing, you can express, you have your self-expression and self-reflection for you to be able to widen your ideas and deepen your ideas and deepen your understanding and also to express your own thoughts. Lastly, creative writing. Creative writing, it is such as short stories and poetry that provides the personal, imaginative ways of exploring ideas and experiences. Creative writing is the most important, especially in arts. Why? Because, let's say for example, you will not be able to express your own thoughts, especially your feelings. But when it comes to like family problem or friends problems or boyfriend problem, through art, to creative writing, you can express that one. And in that way, I think you must commonly use in that way to express your own thoughts, not only to enhance your critical thinking or imaginative skills, but also to express your own thoughts, your feelings to through that way. Understood? Now, let's move to ichang. What is ichang? Ichang is this idea for the contextual and meaningful writing task. For the learners, Fong 2015 borrowed this task into three writing genre that teachers can use as a guide in organizing writing lessons. These genre are narrative, recounts factual events, or tells affectional organizing writing lessons. These genre are narrative, recounts factual events, or tells a fictional story. And informative, lastly, is informative, factual information. And the last one, argumentative, appeals to reason of emotion. Teaching students strategies can enhance our writers to employ the processes involved in writing independently. Scaffolds. Okay. The third one is peer or collaborative writing. What is peer or collaborative writing? Peer or collaborative writing is all about writing is socially activity. Take note. Because writers often to have an audience and in order on other readers who adapt to assess the written outputs. As a teachers, we can develop this awareness of the audience readers among students by engaging them in peer discussions. Writing activities we may assign them a peer editing partner or group because with assigned rules like lead researchers, assistant researchers, and document, we can also engage them in writing a workshop. And lastly, utilization of technology support. What is utilization and technology support? This means that we cannot overemphasize the value of technology in teaching writing. Why? Because our learners now are exposed to multimodal tasks and they sometimes call the physical act of traditional writing difficult or tiring. Teachers can allow students to use words, processors, to deal with illegible handwriting. Peer or collaborative writing is called blank. What is that? Number 4, it is all about we cannot overemphasize the value of technology in teaching writing. That according to him, teachers can allow students to use words and processors. What is that? Answer my question to test if you really understood my discussion this morning. And now, okay, goodbye and let's subscribe my channel.